Welcome back to Learn.Earn.Crypto channel. Today, we will discuss the different types of traders or trading styles and MACD indicator. There are four main types of trading styles. First, let's talk about scalping. Scalping is the most short-term form of trading. Scalp traders only hold positions open for seconds, minutes, or hours at most. The purpose is to make lots of quick trades with smaller profit gains. This strategy is for you if you do not have a daytime job. Trading is your main source of income. You like quick profits and high risk. Successful scalper has technical knowledge, experience, and discipline. The recommended chart for trading is minute to hourly charts. The next trading style is day trading, also known as intraday trading. Day traders enter and exit their positions on the same day. At the end of the day, they close their position with either a profit or a loss. Just like scalp traders, day traders do not have a daytime job. They trade for a living. They rely on frequent small gains to build profits, and they are skillful in technical analysis. Recommended chart for trading, minute to hourly charts. Swing trading strategy. Unlike day traders who hold positions for less than one day, swing traders typically hold positions for several days, although sometimes as long as a few weeks. This makes it a popular trading style for those who have other commitments such as a full-time job and would like to trade in their leisure time. However, it is still necessary to dedicate a few hours a day to analyze the market. Swing traders have a daytime job, like quick profits but try to lower their risk as much as possible. They trade stocks or crypto with momentum. A successful swing trader has technical knowledge and discipline. Recommended chart, daily and weekly charts. And the last trading style is called position traders. They are focused on long-term price movement, looking for a maximum potential profits to be gained from major shifts in prices. As a result, trades generally span over a period of weeks, months, or even years. Position traders tend to use weekly and monthly price charts to analyze and evaluate the market. This style is for you if you have a daytime job, you're looking for a maximum potential profits to be gained, you trade stocks crypto that gives good risk-reward ratio, and you have a technical knowledge, discipline, and patience. Now let's talk about the moving average convergence divergence, or also known as the MACD. This is commonly used indicator in technical analysis. It is a momentum oscillator used to trade trends. This sample MACD is from Bitcoin's daily time frame. It appears on the chart as two lines. The crossover of the two lines give trading signals similar to a two moving average system. The MACD line is the solid blue line that travels above and below zero. This indicator gives you a buy signal when the stock or crypto is trending up, and sell signal when it is reversing. Just like moving average, this is also a lagging indicator. If the MACD line is above 0, the price is considered bullish. And if the line is below 0, the price is bearish. And if the line is at 0 level, that means the price is changing direction. The signal line is the orange line that is used to generate buy and sell signals with MACD line. If MACD line crosses above the signal line, it is a buy signal. And if the MACD line crosses below the signal line, it's considered a sell signal. The MACD histogram is used to easily visualize the movement of MACD in relation to signal line. If prices are rising, the histogram grows larger as the speed of the price movement accelerates, and contracts as price movement decelerates. The same principle works in reverse as prices are falling. Many traders rely on this indicator to measure momentum because it responds to the speed of price movement. However, I'd like to highlight that the best way to invest in cryptocurrency or Bitcoin is to hold for a long term, 4 months or years. I mostly use this indicator in daily, weekly, and monthly time frame. Sometimes I use it when day trading or scalping using 15 minutes to 1 hour time frame. Now let's look at the Bitcoin's weekly chart with both price and MACD indicator. Say you are slowly accumulating and buying Bitcoin in 2020 when the price is in a range from $6,000 to $11,000. Some call this as an accumulation stage. You would have a good position and average. And if you wish to take profit, you could have sold some to get your capital with some profits when the MACD line crosses below the signal line where the price is around $50,000, and then rebuy when the price consolidates between $30,000 to $40,000. In the next videos, we're gonna discuss how to buy and sell from cryptocurrency exchange, and we'll show and review some charts for potential buy if you want to get in and start in investing in crypto. If you like this content, make sure to turn on the notifications and subscribe. Thank you for watching.